We have discussed the proformas of profit and loss appropriation account and capital account and current account, etc. So this is an important problem. See this problem, we will prepare various accounts in this problem. A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 60,000 and 20,000 respectively on 1st April 2017. So their opening capital balances are given here. Net profit before taking into account the provisions of partnership deed means before making appropriations, the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 was rupees 24,000, and now the provisions of partnership deed are given. B is entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per annum. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. Interest on drawings is to be charged at 5% per annum. The drawings of the partners A and B were rupees 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. This is drawings against profit. And interest on drawings for A being rupees 200 and for B rupees 100. So we have to pass the journal entries for the above transactions and show how profit will be divided between A and B, and also show capital accounts of the partners along with their drawings account if they are fixed and if they are fluctuating. Means if we have to prepare capital accounts if fixed capital account method is followed, and if we have to prepare capital account how to means in case of fixed we have to prepare capital account and current account, and if fluctuating method is followed we have to prepare only partners capital account. For appropriation of profit we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and we have to pass the journal entries for all the transactions. Okay, so let's start now. So now for this problem, here we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. First we will see fixed capital method. As the capital is fixed, we have to open two accounts, partners capital account and partners current account. So profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account and partners current account. Then A's drawings account, B's drawings account, and then we will pass journal entries. Okay. So from the given information we will prepare these accounts. They told us that A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 60,000 and 20,000 respectively. So this is the capital account balance. So on 1st April 2017, 1st April 2017, you can draw the column of date also. By balance brought down, it is 60,000 and 20,000. 60,000 and 20,000. See here, we can open A's capital account separately, just like these drawings account, and B's capital account separately also. पण normally एकत्र अकाउंट ड्रॉ करण्याची पद्धत आहे. So by balance brought down 60,000 and 20,000. The net profit before taking into consideration the provisions of the deed for the year ended 31st March 18 was rupees 24,000. So here this profit is coming from profit and loss account. So by profit and loss account, that is net profit, you can write by net profit transferred from profit and loss account also 24,000. Now let's see the other adjustments. The partnership deed provides for the following. B is entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per annum. So here salary to B is rupees 6,000 per annum. So Here credit side of current account, by B's salary account, in B's column rupees 6,000. Okay, then this entry will be B's salaries account debit to B's current account, and then the next entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to B's salary account 6,000. Okay, next entry now. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. Their capitals are 60,000 and 20,000, and interest on capital is 6% per annum. So for A it will be 3,600, 6% of 60,000, and for B it will be 1,200. Okay, so we have to pass the entry of interest on capital. So by interest on capital account, it is 3,600 for A, 1,200 for B. Now here next entry will be on debit side of profit and loss account. So to interest on capital, A and B, A 3,600, B 1,200, so it is 4,800. ओके, कॅपिटल अकाउंटच्या बॅलन्सची एंट्री फक्त कॅपिटल अकाउंटमध्ये होणार आहे. जर ॲडिशनल कॅपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड असेल तर एंट्री या ठिकाणी होईल बाय कॅश बँक अकाउंट, बिकॉज एंट्री ऑफ ॲडिशनल कॅपिटल, that is journal entry of additional capital, will be cash bank account debit to partners capital account A or B obviously. Or if capital withdrawn by the partner, म्हणजे कॅपिटलमधून काही परत नेलं असेल पार्टनरनी, तर ती एंट्री ह्या ठिकाणी होणार. बाकी सगळ्या एंट्रीज करंट अकाउंटला होतील बिकॉज वी आर फॉलोइंग फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड. नाउ नेक्स्ट एंट्री इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स इज टू बी चार्ज 5% per annum. Interest on drawings 5% per annum, and their drawings, A and B's drawings is given in the problem. The drawings of partners A and B were rupees 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. 6,000 and 4,000. Okay, so drawings याचा अर्थ the amount withdrawn by the partners for their personal use. So on 31st March 18, टू कॅश बँक अकाउंट, हे जनरल ड्रॉइंग्ज आहे, पर्सनल यूजसाठी विथड्रॉ केलेले पैसे. दिस इज नॉट कॅपिटल विथड्रॉन. टू कॅश बँक अकाउंट, these drawings is 4,000. Okay, now the second entry will be on debit side. 31st March 18च्या एंट्रीज आहेत ह्या सगळ्या. मी डेटचा कॉलम लिमिटेड स्पेस आहे म्हणून केलेला नाही आहे, तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता. सो हिअर 2 A's drawings account and 2 B's drawings account, means 2 drawings account. In A's column 6,000 and in B's column 4,000. ड्रॉइंग्सच्या एंट्री या दोन अकाउंटला होतात, ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट अँड करंट अकाउंट. नाव द एंट्री ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स, इट इज 5% per annum. 5% of 6,000 is 300, and 5% of B's drawings is 200. So we have to charge interest on drawings always for 6 months. So here it is buy interest on drawings. Buy interest on drawings account A and B. It is 5% per annum. 5% of 6,000 is 300 and 4,000 is 200. Half of that, it is 150 and 100. So it is 250. Okay. Now next entry. Oh sorry, interest on drawings is charged, but interest on drawings for A is given here 200, so it will be 200 and B's drawings will be 100. Okay, so 2 interest on drawings, 200 and 100. जर पर्सेंट घेऊन कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर पर्सेंटेज काढून त्याचे 6 मंथचे काढून घ्यायचे असतात नेहमी, पण इथे त्याने इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स 200 आणि 100 दिलेलंच आहे म्हणून 200 आणि 100 घेतलं आहे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्सची एंट्री करंट अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला होते आणि ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला होते, हे लक्षात ठेवा सगळ्यांनी. ओके. नाव नेक्स्ट एंट्री. No additional information is given other than this information. So here it is B's salary and interest on capital, and here profit and interest on drawings. Okay, now we will tally profit and loss appropriation account. Total of credit side is 24,300. After deducting 10,800, it will be 13,500. Difference is 13,500. It will be transferred to partner's current account. So to partner's current account. A and B. This amount of profit will be distributed between the partners in their ratio, which is equal. We will consider the ratio equal because no specific ratio is given in the problem. So in partnership deed the profit sharing ratio is not given, so it will be considered as equal as per provisions of Partnership Act. So distribution of 13,500 equally it is 6,750. Okay, now second posting. Credit side of partner's current account by profit and loss appropriation account. So amount is 6,750 in A's column, 6,750 in B's column. Okay, as we are following fixed capital method, the entry will be partners current account. ज्यावेळेला आपण फ्लक्च्युएटिंग कॅपिटल मेथड करू त्यावेळी इथे पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट असणार आहे, कारण त्यावेळेला आपण फक्त पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट ओपन करणार आहोत, हे लक्षात ठेवा. हिअर वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. नाव वी विल टॅली पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. In this problem, entry of additional capital or entry of capital withdrawn by the partner is not given. So let's tally 60,000, 20,000, 60,000, 20,000. So balance of A's capital account will be 60,000 and B's capital account will be 20,000. So two balance carried down on 31st March 18. Two balance carried down 60,000 and 20,000. Okay, there is no change in capital because fixed capital method it is. Now we will tally current accounts. A's column with eighth column. Debit total is 6,200 and credit total is eighth credit total is 10,350. So 10,350, 10,350. After deducting 6,200, the balance will be 4,150. Similarly, B's debit side with B's credit side. Debit total is 4,100. Credit total is 13,950. So 13,950, 13,950. After deducting 4,100, it will be 9,850. So these are the balances of A's. This is the balance of A's current account. This is the balance of B's current account. So two balance carried down, 4,150 and 9,850. Now we will tally A's drawings account. Debit total is 6,000. Here it is on 31st March 18 by A's current account 6,000. Credit side of A's drawings, A's current account means debit side of A's current account to drawings account 6,000. Okay, this is the second posting of this entry. Now here on 31st March 18 by B's current account 4,000. Credit side of B's drawings, B's current account. So debit side of B's current account to drawings account 4,000. In this way we have completed all the accounts. Now we will pass journal entries of these transactions. So on 31st March 18, first entry will be of transferring net profit to profit and loss appropriation account, then entry of salary, and then the entry of transferring salary to appropriation account. In this order we will pass the journal entries. Okay, so first entry, profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, amount is 24,000, and narration, net profit transferred to appropriation account, net profit to profit and loss appropriation account. Next entry will be salary credited to B's current account. So entry will be, here it is, B's salary account debit to B's capital account, to B's current account. So B's salary account debit rupees 6,000 to B's current account. In case of fluctuating capital, here we will write B's capital account. Okay, 6,000 salary credited to B's current account. Now the next entry. Next entry will be the salary allowed transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so entry will be Profit and loss appropriation account debit to B's salary account. And the amount is 6,000. B's salary transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Now next entry, it will be about interest on capital. Interest on capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Means here in fixed capital method, interest on capital account debit to A's current account to B's current account. So it is 3,600 and 1,200. So total is 4,800. Interest on capital allowed to partners at 6% per annum. Then the next entry, will be interest on capital transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So I will take this paper. This entry, profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account 4,800. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account narration. Interest on capital allowed transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, and the amount is total, that is 4,800. Okay. Now the next entry, see the accounts. Next entry will be of interest on drawings and drawings. So partners current account debit to interest on drawings account will pass entry of interest on drawings and then drawings. आपण ड्रॉइंग्सची एंट्री पण आधी पास करू शकतो. ड्रॉइंग्सची एंट्री जर आधी पास करायची असेल तर ही एंट्री होईल बघा. एज ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅश बँक अकाउंट, बीज ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅश बँक अकाउंट. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल पास दिस एंट्री. एज ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट, I will pass combined entry. A's drawings account debit B's drawings account debit 6,000 and 4,000 to cash bank account. Amount total is 10,000. Here cash bank account is credited because cash or through bank cash is going out rupees 10,000. Drawings made by the partners. Okay. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्सची एंट्री आधी केली तरी चालते. त्यानंतर ही एंट्री एज करंट अकाउंट डेबिट, बीज करंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू एज ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट टू बीज ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट. $6,000 and 4,000. Now we will pass two entries. Narration first I have to write. Drawings transferred to current accounts. Now I will pass the entry of interest on drawings. First, see here, A's current account debit to interest on drawings and B's current account debit to interest on drawings account, and then interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So A's current account debit, B's current account debit 200 and 100 to interest on drawings account. Total amount is 300. And narration, being interest on drawings charged. It is charged because it is charged on drawings of the partners and it is income of the firm. Now next entry, interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So total amount 300. And narration, interest on drawings transferred. Transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. नाव बघा सगळ्या बाकीच्या एंट्रीज करून झालेल्या आहेत. आता आपल्याला ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट टॅली केल्याची एंट्री करायची. द डिफरन्स दॅट इज प्रॉफिट इज ट्रान्सफर्ड टू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. सो Entry is profit and loss appropriation account to partner's current account. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to A's current account to B's current account. Total amount is 13,500, 6,750, 6,750. So narration is divisible profit credited to current account or distributed between the partners, you can say. In equal ratio, as ratio is not given in the problem, we have to distribute the profit in equal ratio. Okay, in this way we have to pass the journal entries here. These are the journal entries and these are the accounts. If we follow फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड फॉलो केली तर ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बरोबर कॅपिटल अकाउंट आणि करंट अकाउंट असे 2 अकाउंट ओपन करायला सांगतात, करावे लागतात. ऑब्वियसली जर प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट फक्त विचारला तर फक्त ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट ओपन करायचा. फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड असेल तर करंट अकाउंट असणार आहे या ठिकाणी सगळ्या बाकीच्या एंट्रीजना. फक्त बॅलन्स आणि जर न्यू कॅपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस असेल किंवा कॅपिटल विड्रॉ असेल तर पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटला एंट्री होईल. अँड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल पास दीज जर्नल एंट्रीज. फर्स्ट entry is of transferring profit to appropriation account. Then these 2 entries are regarding salary to B. First entry will be salary credited to B's current account and then transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Similarly, we have to pass 2 entries for interest on capital here. This entry is of interest credited to partner's current account and this entry interest transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Then drawings made by the partners and drawings transferred to current account. Then interest on drawings charged on partners. ड्रॉइंग्सवर इंटरेस्ट चार्ज केला आहे पार्टनर्सना आणि नंतर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स ट्रान्सफर टू ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. अँड फायनली the entry of distribution of divisible profit between the partners in equal ratio. In this way we have to pass the journal entries. This is fixed capital method. Now we will again prepare these accounts when we follow fluctuating capital method. This is appropriation account, that is profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018, and this is partners capital account A and B. In this method we have to open only partners capital account, no need of current account because capital accounts are fluctuating, so we can enter all the entries in partners capital account. So now we will prepare this appropriation account and partners capital account. Capital account balances by balance brought down. Balances are 60,000 and 20,000. आता कॅपिटल बॅलन्सेस किंवा कॅपिटल विड्रॉ ॲडिशनल कॅपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस किंवा सगळ्या ज्या एंट्रीज असतील त्या आपण कॅपिटल अकाउंटलाच करणार आहोत, हे सगळ्यांनी लक्षात ठेवा. ओके. Then entry of profit. So by profit and loss account, net profit transfer rupees 24,000. See here, this is appropriation account, this entry. Okay. Now entry of B's salary. So by B's salaries account, 6,000. And next salary transferred to appropriation account. So to B's salary account, 6,000. Now entry of interest on capital. So here it is. By interest on capital account, 3,600 to A, 1,200 to B as per our calculation. And then interest on capital transferred to appropriation account. So to interest on capital account, A and B, A 3,600, B 1,200, so total 4,800. आधीचा जसा अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट आहे तसाच सेम अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट आहे, नो चेंज इन दॅट. ओके. So interest on capital. Now entry of drawings. Just like here, A's drawings account debit to cash bank account, B's drawings account debit to cash bank account. So to cash bank account, rupees 6,000, to cash bank account, rupees 4,000. Now we will tally. मगाशी आपण नंतर टॅली केलं होतं, आपण आत्ता टॅली करूया आणि ही अमाऊंट ट्रान्सफर करूया कॅपिटल अकाउंटला. मगाशी आपण ही अमाऊंट करंट अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर केली होती, तुम्हाला आठवत असेल तर. सो हिअर बाय एज कॅपिटल अकाउंट, 6,000, debit total 6,000, credit total 6,000. Here by B's capital account, 4,000, debit total 4,000, credit total 4,000. Second posting, credit side of drawings account, capital account. So debit side of capital account to drawings account. To drawings account, it is 6,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now entry of interest on drawings. Partners capital account means A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to interest on drawings account. It is 200 and 100, and then transferred to appropriation account by interest on drawings account, A and B, 200 and 100, total 300 in outer column. Okay, so we are done with all the entries. Now we will tally appropriation account. Credit total is 24,300, 24,300. After deducting 10,800, difference is 13,500. आपण हे केलेलं आहे. आता बघा, फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथडमध्ये आपण पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर करतो, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. हिअर वी विल ट्रान्सफर इट टू पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. सो टू पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट, A and B, 6750, 6750. Second posting, debit side of appropriation account, capital account means credit side of capital account by profit and loss appropriation account, 6750, 6750. Okay. Now let's tally capital account. We'll tally A's capital account debit side with A's capital account credit side. So credit side total is 60 plus 3,600 plus 6,750. So total is 70,350 minus 6,200. So it is 64,150. Okay. Now B, debit total 4,100, credit total is 33,950 minus 4,100. So difference is 29,850. So two balance carried down. 64,150 is A's capital account balance and B's capital account balance is 29,850. Because capitals are fluctuating, we are following fluctuating capital method, त्यामुळे त्यांचे कॅपिटल्स जे आहेत ती चेंज झाली आहेत. फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथडमध्ये बघा कॅपिटल सेमच राहिली होती, फक्त करंट अकाउंटला या एंट्रीज झाल्या होत्या आणि बॅलन्स आला होता. तुमच्या लक्षात येते का बघा, कॅपिटल अकाउंटचा बॅलन्स 60,000, करंट अकाउंटचा बॅलन्स 4,150 मीन्स टोटल इज 64,150. हे दोन्ही अकाउंट एकत्र केलेले आहेत, हे दोन अकाउंट वेगवेगळे केलेत, सगळ्या एंट्रीज करंट अकाउंटला केलेत, कॅपिटल अकाउंटला कुठली एंट्री केलेली नाही. ओके. So in this way we have completed appropriation account, partners capital account, and now you have to pass journal entries referring these journal entries. एंट्रीजमध्ये फक्त करंट अकाउंट जिथे आहे त्या ठिकाणी कॅपिटल अकाउंट असणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी सेम, सेकंड एंट्री विल बी बीज सॅलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बीज कॅपिटल अकाउंट. Third entry will be same. Fourth entry, interest on capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Then next entry. Now this entry will be same, profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. In this entry will be same of drawings. In this entry, instead of A's current account and B's current account, you have to say A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to A's drawings account to B's drawings account. Here A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to interest on drawings account. This entry will be same. And again in last entry, profit and loss appropriation account debit 13,500 to A's capital account 6750 to B's capital account 6750. Okay. In this way you have to pass the journal entries. Pass these journal entries for fluctuating capital method after solving all these problem in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपण बघितलंय फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड आणि फ्लक्च्युएटिंग कॅपिटल मेथड. फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथडमध्ये कॅपिटल फिक्स ठेवायचे आहेत, सो आपल्याला करंट अकाउंट नावाचा दुसरा अकाउंट ओपन करावा लागतो. फ्लक्च्युएटिंग कॅपिटल मेथडमध्ये करंट अकाउंट ओपन करण्याची गरज नाही, कॅपिटल अकाउंट एकच ओपन करून सगळ्या एंट्रीज त्याच अकाउंटला केल्या जातात. ओके. अकॉर्डिंगली ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंटमध्ये कॅपिटल अकाउंट किंवा करंट अकाउंट येतो. सो सॉल्व नाउ दिस प्रॉब्लेम इन युअर नोटबुक and ask your doubts immediately. That's all.